How to manage app storage on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage app storage on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps, click on it and then click apps again, and here just scroll down until you find any app you want, like Spotify, and then click storage. Here you will find it, click on it, and here you can manage app storage and you can clear cache if you want. Just click on it and you can clear data, and that's it. That's how to manage app storage on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.